Hello family, warmest welcome back to the channel. I'm super excited today because it's something really different and I feel a bit weird holding the camera like this, but I'm trying to vlog today for you all. I will be going to three of my favorite stop shop to buy some few kitchenwares for this holiday season. Taking along and let's see how it goes. This is Vlogmas. I am enjoying it. Let's go together, family. So ready to go. Ready. So here we are, family. We are at Ikea. Let's go in. Thing that I like about Ikea or Ikea, here in Sweden we call it Ikea, okay? So if you hear me calling it that, don't be alarmed. It's how we call it here in Sweden, Ikea. It must be their glass containers. I love it. It was on my shop list and I got it at a very good price, so I was really happy. I'm not going to do a lot of talking with this video, so I'll be showing around most of the time where I normally hang out more when I come here. So please enjoy. Who knows, this might be of great help when you're here to do some shopping. So please continue watching and enjoy yourself. On my timeline. Sunshine. I love the candle section here in Ikea. I feel like there's a lot to choose from, and it's also very affordable, so I'm always locked here for more than 30 minutes when I come here. And yeah, it is so good. As you can see, very affordable prices as well, a lot to choose from, so I get to, you know, have a really hard time here in this section. Kitchenware made, and I made my choice. I will show you when I get home. Really lovely, this part. I so love it. So right now I am done with Ikea, and let's go to the next shop. It's ÖoB 10. We're going to shop here. One of the reasons why I love ÖoB, you get exactly what you're looking for at one time. I was looking for some cookie containers. We'll be baking some cookies, and we don't like the containers that we keep it in. So these ones are just perfect. I saw it, I jumped, I was so happy. And the price was just amazing, so I picked up a few of them. I was super happy. Yeah, you find these little things here that so inexpensive but really worth it. So enjoy ÖoB as well. Point I was pretty much done with the shopping. I'm just taking you around, and I'm also letting you know that if you live in Sweden and you're looking for gift items, gift ideas, ÖoB might be the one, because it's really very inexpensive and really lovely things that they have in there. I did not pick too many of the kitchenwares here because I did not need any of them, but they are absolutely so great. Point we were done with the shopping list, so I did not need anything more here, so we didn't even end up going to Rooster. We ended it here. So yeah, I just hope you had fun with this vlog. Okay, so we are finally back from the shopping, as you can see, and I will have to end the vlog here. Kids are home getting noisy, so I'll take time to take you through all that I bought from Ikea. So please stay tuned on the next upload to find out what I got from Ikea. Hopefully it might help you during your shopping time there. Who knows? Okay, so thank you so much, family, for watching. I truly appreciate you so much. There's a lot of recipes and fun videos coming your way this holiday season, so please stay tuned, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.